Yeah, hi guys, this is just going to be a quick video. Just had to show you something I find quite amazing. This is a story from the BBC Science and Environment website, the BBC News website, and it's dated the 16th of May, and it's about UK climate fixed balloon grounded. And this is a story about a balloon that was going to be sent up into the atmosphere, and there was going to have water droplets coming out of the balloon. The kit could have then been used to disperse tiny dust particles to cool the earth as volcanic eruptions do. Now this test has been postponed, and they're saying that SPICE, which stands for Stratospheric Particle Injection for Climate Engineering, it's saying that the SPICE chiefs cite problems with regulations, intellectual property and public engagement, which is why they've delayed this story. Anyway, you can go to the link yourself and read it, and I will add the link below. So at the side here there's a couple more stories. There's one that's saying here the public supports geoengineering. So I clicked on that and had a little look. Public supports geoengineering ideas, study suggests. Now I'm telling you this, if you ask most people what geoengineering is, they will not have a clue what geoengineering is. It's not something that's really pumped out into the mainstream media, and it's not something that many people know about. So you can read this story, and it's saying that 72% of people who took part in a survey in the US, the UK and Canada said that they were quite happy for geoengineering to go ahead. So there's another story there. Another link to this is a story entitled In Detail Geoengineering. So I clicked on that. Tackling climate change with technology, and this is from again the BBC News. And it's talking about scientists have been looking for ways to modify the Earth's environment to control global warming, and it's known as geoengineering. So they're describing what geoengineering is, and they're showing us here in this picture ways that they're planning to use the geoengineering method. So we've got number one here, space reflectors. There's things up in space that are reflecting sunlight upwards, so they say, and there's a picture there. Number two is atmospheric aerosols. Now there's blatantly a picture of a plane, and the plane is spraying out atmospheric aerosols, and the arrow shows the sun coming down and bouncing back up. So this is supposed to be defeating climate change, which we all know is a load of bollocks. Right, so it says down here the number two, so various types of atmospheric aerosols could be released in the upper atmosphere. This, my friends, is blatant proof and evidence on the BBC News that the people that talk about aerosol spraying, and also known as chemtrails, are absolutely spot on when they talk about this taking place. And here it is called atmospheric aerosols, and there you have it, people. There's the picture of the plane. So you can just debunk that because it's here. It's written, it's on the BBC News. They've also got reflective plates out in the desert somewhere. And number four is entitled Urban. So I'll let you go ahead and read that story yourself. Like I say, all links will be on this video. But the thing is, what I find strange about this is there's no date for this story. I have no idea when the BBC put this on. Absolutely no date, which is strange because all the others have dates on them. This one's from October 2011. Obviously this one's from today, the 16th of May. But all the links are going to be below, and please do go and check this out. And let's go back to that picture. I'm going to end it here. This is just ridiculous. Atmospheric aerosols. Aerosol spraying. Chemtrails. BBC News.